A large professional services organization was facing growing complexity. Critical financial and operational data lived across multiple systems. Reporting was fragmented, manual, time-consuming. Monthly reporting took days to complete. Leadership lacked real-time dashboards. Forecasting and budget tracking were inconsistent across departments. They needed more than reports, they needed clarity. Inspire Solutions established a dedicated Dataverse delivery team to design a unified enterprise data platform. We consolidated financial, operational, and resource data into one centralized, scalable data landscape. Custom executive dashboards delivered real-time insights with the ability to drill into operational detail. Automated workflows reduced reporting cycles from days to overnight. Real-time integration of actuals and budgets improved forecasting accuracy across departments. More than 10 manual processes were automated. Leadership gained near real-time visibility. And the organization now operates on a future-ready analytics framework built to scale. This wasn't just a technology upgrade. It was a transformation in how decisions are made. At Inspire Solutions, we don't just unify data. We unlock intelligence. Inspire Solutions. Technology is our focus and quality is our commitment.